up. Make sure say when you post me video, you talking truth them when me talking. See somebody just tag say King Mix Up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King Mix Up. Make sure King Mix Up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Okay, people, dancehall queen Spice is back in the headlines again because she has everyone in shock. She's quitting social media for the next several months, but fans are not falling for the skin out McPum Pum artist tricks and is looking at her only post left on her Instagram for clues because she has deleted everything. So, people, she said, I'll be off of Instagram for a while. I'm tired of being their only target for clout and clickbait. Let's see if they're still gonna talk about only me. I refuse to answer to the noise they are creating to gain my attention. Every morning I wake up to something else. I fight so hard to be where I am right now, and I'm getting a fight for, Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year when it comes. Besties, I love you all so much. Emancipated album link in my bio to run it up. And she said all of the songs them take measure crap clap clap same more enough man name big head big Vic Baker man pop it off and hashtag hate him. So obviously people, we know Spice is not talking about me because she is quite used to my thing already, you see me I said, but I think she's talking about Dovey Magnum, who's been using her name for clout. Yes, people, every post, I don't care if she tags me and all of these things and blah blah blah. And she was on stage TV the other day, and Spice name get called up for views and all of these stuff. And you can see, Dovey Magnum said some people won't clap for you because they were secretly competing with you, and showing support sounds like defeat. You know what I mean? Give thanks to everyone who has been supporting me throughout the years. Thanks for supporting my talent, my voice. Continue growing with me. Love the love. Thanks, you feel me? So when she's talking about, being their only target for clout and clickbait, I think she's talking about Dovey Magnum as well as Queen Africa. You remember she come out the other day blasting Spice and Nicki Minaj and all of these things, about she not run Ronnie and Spice food for let her trick and all of these stuff. You know what I mean? Because you remember Queen Africa bleach out and did, she dropped it like an ego video. And people did that ban her out. So when Spice said they're looking clout and she's their only target, and she fought for where she's there. You know what I mean? She's just giving it a break. But the people that is calling bullshit, Well, let me not make it sound like that. The people that is saying Spice no business but mix up and she damn sure don't give a yes about Dovey Magnum. You see, people, the real reason why she deleted everything off of her page, one of the reasons is because Justin is back, like I said. And he posted in his IG story earlier today to let all the men lusting after Spice, to let them know, say, top dog, top shot at their back. You see me, I say, as you see, he posted up in her living room, you know what I mean? And we know this is Spice's living room because of the blue, you know what I mean? And the fireplace, you see me, I saying, it looked like she has done some renovations on the floor as well, you see me, I say, because, we did a review yesterday that, Spice and Flo Rida might be dating, you know what I mean? You can go up on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel and check that out. And we did the review that rapper Foreign Vivio was seen in her comment section, putting the jet emoji and the heart, meaning he wants to fly her out, you know what I mean? Because of my art of the pum pum, you see? So Justin said that, and him say, what, I got my way back in the Spice life, you see me, I say, and things, yeah, I know people. Yeah, the best is them now feel Rasta, because them feel, say, him depend, some, why, them things, say, them is using Spice, basically, as the person says, Spice, please don't be volunteering your head. Rasta after the bag, please. Don't make that mango-eating man complete his motive, mission. Take care of yourself now and your hard-earned cash that you work so hard for without the help of who's after it. His imagine. And also, you know what I've been saying. You know, a man can't be around your kids for 3 Christmas and not put a ring on it. You see? So it look like so we have a storyline for next season, Love and Hip Hop. Now I'm playing. It look like so Rasta is ready to pop the question. So people putting in the comment section. Oh, and them never like the way, you know, the man did that dig her out, you know, dagger out on stage where they are in Canada. But if you think of that, go on for not go on. Also, the people them say something big is going to happen with Spice, yes. So the people them is saying that she and Nicki Minaj is planning a trip to Jamaica this December, and they're gonna film 5-9 music video with all the ladies them. You see me? I said, 'cause you know Lisa Mercedes is. Yeah, she's gonna be performing that Sting in Jamaica December, just like Skeng. You feel me? So everybody on 5-9 is gonna be in Jamaica, 'cause you know Pampite in Jamaica and can't come to America, obviously. And Duffy can't come to America either because she self-deported herself because she overstayed in America. You see me? I said so. And Nicki Minaj tell Pampite she's coming December to Jamaica, so it does make sense for Nicki Minaj to film 5-9 with the Jamaican girls in Jamaica. You see it, so. And that's why I think Spice is using them just like how them I use Spice for Clout. She I use them not for Clout, but you know, using their whatever to promote, you know, something big that's coming. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, but not got long of that. No longer, I just want update on what go on from what I go on is in. And now speaking about 5-9 and the ladies, then we have to congratulate Pompite for receiving her blue tick on Instagram. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, Pompite. You know, these things really don't mean nothing to me per se. You know what I mean? But having a blue tick on Instagram means that you certified, and you know, Pompite been certified before IG. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, it's a good look. You know, see me how it says. So, pick up yourself, Pompite. She have over 400k followers and things. And she's letting the haters them know. Best revenge is letting them see they had no effect on God's favor for you. Your life, you know what I mean? A lot of people say that she's been throwing shades at Spice. No, she ain't Spice, no, you know, nothing, you know what I mean? There's a lot of people that's been hating on Pompite, and now that she's shining, you see me, I say, I remember said dancing Shitty Pebbles, and them used to diss her up, you know what I'm saying? So, it's not Spice, she's throwing shades at, she's know who she had deal with, you see me? So, just the one giving that update while going from one to go on with the Sticky Wine artist, you see me, I say, so, make sure you go over to her Viva. You know, subscribe, like, share, comment, and show her some love. You see it. Yeah, let's proceed. Now, people, if you made it this far, this part is not the baka. So, if we're not into real news, no, it's the time for one to leave. But people, look on the headline. 2 Hanover women charged with trafficking underage girls. You know what I mean? I wait till you hear the age, them you see me I say, because all of them is all under the age of 16. You know what I'm saying? And the people them that are charged is a 33-year-old Nicole Brissett of Lucia, Hanover, and 39-year-old Nicole Johnson of Hanover and St. Thomas in addresses. You see me as the people. The youngest child is 11 years old, people. 11 years old, B. Yo, son. I didn't even know what to do with them people, you know, because locking them up is just going to do nothing, you know what I mean? Like I said, certain crimes against children should never be forgiven, and this is definitely one of them, you know what I mean? Yeah, no, yo, trust me. Anyway, Horace Chang tell the JCF and the anti-trafficking, human trafficking people, they're going to be tougher on these type of things. You know what I mean? You would think after we seen this on TV, because remember the time a lady did, or a man did bring him niece. Figure sex, a white man, and it was end up being a sting, and it came on TV, you know, so. Yeah, no, man, yo, watch your people around your kids be 11 years old. Yeah, no, also.
I don't want to wake up my What is it going?
people, can you imagine on a lovely sunny day, the water was clear still, you know what I mean, with no boats passing by and no wind whatsoever blowing. We mean perfect day. Suddenly at approximately 4 p.m., rogue waves, some as high as 6 feet, appeared from nowhere, as if there had been an underwater earthquake causing a sudden mini tsunami at Casablanca Beach on the Hip Street Montego Bay on Sunday afternoon. People were swimming, sent running out of the water when the waves appeared and started crashing into the jetties and the shore of the beach. It happened twice. First time it lasted 10 minutes, second time it lasted a few seconds. You see me? And the video that you see was in the end when the water was calming back down. You see me? I said, luckily nobody was hurt. 2 boats anchored in the water. Literally turned on their side, almost flipping them completely. It happened instantly. You see me, I said, and you can hear, the women scream. That's from, the boats you can't see. Most had managed to run out of the water by this time, especially the ones that got carried by the wave. You see me, I said, people, so now we know the dangers. One in the beach, you know what I mean? Because not all that looks good is good, you see me, I said. Anyway, I know how long this out and long. Just giving a quick update while I go on from one to go on another Monday. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And you can also go over to my, my other YouTube channels and check out, the latest over there too, because the thing set people. We can't put all the bagga in one place. You know what I mean? Yeah. Bless.